know what you guys are thinking. Lewis, you've gotten Duraflex before and it didn't fit and you had tons of issues. Why would you buy another one? Because it looks so good. That's why. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Thank you guys for joining into my channel. For those of you guys that don't know, my name is Lewis. I don't know what all that was, but thank you guys for joining into my channel. If you guys aren't already, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button. We are only 14 away from 1,800, guys. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new to my channel, smash that thumbs up and subscribe. And with that being said, guys, let's get into today's video. So first things first, this is the new lip kit, guys. From my understanding, I'm only the second one to have this lip kit. I was gonna do this a long ass time ago, but to be 100% honest, I didn't know it was a lip kit. I thought it was a full bumper, and somebody that I follow on Instagram actually had this as well, and I messaged him about it, and it's a lip kit. So I'm super stoked. So pretty much the game plan, guys, is it's gonna need a little bit of trimming. As you can see, the body line or the gapping is like nice. And then right in here, we do need a little bit of trimming, and it does hang out pretty far. So we'll have to probably trim some of that. And then on the other side, we have a little bit of a gapping issue there. And then it's nice here, and then it sits in there nicely. So we are gonna have to play around with some of that. But for the most part, the game plan is we're gonna be molding it onto the car. So it's gonna actually be one piece. So I'm super stoked on that. And let me just say, guys, this thing hangs hell low, really low. Right now it looks a little like off because it's black, that's silver, and it's not actually set in place where it's supposed to be. But that's what we're gonna try to fix today. And then in the next video, like I said, I think is when we're going to go ham and try to knock this out in one other video. So 2 videos total. That's the game plan. When I air out though, I'll show you guys in a minute. This thing sits so close to the floor. So this rear lip kit is the same brand as the side skirts. So it's gonna flow nicely into the side skirts. So I'm super happy about that. And then a quick update on the side skirts. As you can see, we have some primer down now, and everything's pretty much built up. It looks really good. It just needs like a final sanding and then some more primer. And then I threw some Bondo hair on the crack there, filled in these holes, and then what else? Same thing with this side. Got all of that pretty much done. It's super smooth, it's nice, it looks so good on the car. So hopefully soon we're gonna be throwing these onto the car because it needs it, guys. I'm tired of seeing the car this way. Okay, guys, so here's one thing that I meant. So pretty much I drilled the hole, bored it out a bit, threw the screw into it, and now this is, for the most part, screwed in. Almost, I need to bore it a little bit more. The screw is a little too short to fully grab into the bumper, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. And by holding this in, tucking this in, it closes all of this body gap. So now, like I said, the only body gap really is right here. And then we'll worry about those sections later. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, probably through the whole thing, and we'll kind of just go from there. But so far, it's looking really good. I'm happy. All right, guys, I ended up getting that half, for the most part, done. I can't really continue much more because my drill died. So let me go ahead and show you what I do have, though. So as you can see, I bored out this big hole, threw that screw in. This screw is gonna have to come out and be redone. It's just not long enough, it's not catching. But as you can see though, other than this section, once this gets pushed in, all of this will close, and then all this is already closed. Now I have another one right there, and then we'll pretty much end up, like I said, filling that all in. So I'm gonna pull this out. This is gonna have to get redone. And then overall, all of it's gonna have to come back off because in here on the actual lip, I have to sand, and so it fits properly. But it looks good. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'll end up pulling it out for you guys as well because I haven't even seen it actually outside the garage. I actually got this lip a couple days ago, a week ago about, and I mocked it up. That's why if you guys notice, there's no tips anymore because I actually got them cut off right here. So an idea, not really an idea, but we're not gonna be using these anymore. We're gonna be using something like those. Some N1 style mufflers. We're gonna be going with HKS high flow, and should look good. Alright guys, I haven't seen it yet, so this is my first reaction really to it. Okay, that needs to be worked, but... Fuck, dude, oh my god. Oh my god. That looks bad. Because it flares out so much. Fuck yes, dude. Check this out, guys. I don't know how well it's gonna show up for you guys on camera, but jeez. I hope it's picking up good. That looks amazing, guys. Oh my god, look at that ass. Yes. So good. And like I said, guys, you can see how low it is. It's pretty freaking low. But yo, so like I said, that won't go in because the lip itself has to be sanded. There's this massive chunk there where it won't even allow it to go in. But once that's sanded, we'll scoot that in. Damn, dude. Oh my god, I love it. That looks so good. So the other thing we're gonna go ahead and do is everything's gonna be painted pretty much, and then this whole section down here, underneath all this whole little lip, it's gonna be wrapped the same color as the roof. So it's gonna look really good. I'd pull out a side skirt for you guys and throw it on so we can get an idea, but I think we're gonna save that for another time. Jeez, dude. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's ugly? I think it looks so good. Guys, so it's hot as hell outside. So that's why I haven't been working as much lately and dropping a lot of content, because it's really hot, and those are the only two fans I have. So I want to get a shop fan. I think that'll be awesome. Keep it nice and cool in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off right there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below as well. Let me know, do you guys like it? I'm pretty sure you guys are all gonna like it. It looks good. How can you not like it? I'm so excited to have that done in the side skirts. Anyways, I don't want to continue to ramble on. Smash that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. Let's get me to 1,800 subscribers and then 200 more, and we're at 2,000 subscribers. So unreal. I just want to say thank you again to each and every single one of you guys. I've been saying thank you a lot lately, but we've been growing so quickly. It hasn't even been a month since I hit 1,700. Now we're almost at 1,800. So thank you to all of you guys. Shout out to all of you guys who are always commenting on my videos and watching my videos. I really appreciate this support. So shout out to each and every single one of you guys. You guys all know who you are. I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. It's extremely hot, so sorry if I sound extremely out of breath, because I am. It's hot. Whew. Anyways, I hope to catch you all in the next one. In the next video, it's either gonna be on the rear lip kit or the sides. So either way, stay tuned, hit that bell notification. I hope to catch you all there. And until next time, guys, as always, peace out.